Hello, welcome to another video. If you haven't seen any of my other videos inside my Xcode series, I recommend you go watch them. So first, we need to create the content inside the list. So to do this, I will start off with a title, like this. So this can be our text view, and I'm just going to make this bold. So next, I'm going to put my title in a VStack like this. So I do this by hitting Command click and then VStack, or I can type it out like this. Okay, now it's in a VStack, and since it's a VStack, SwiftUI will actually let me place something on the bottom of this text. For example, this can be our description, and I can easily set the foreground color to gray. And after that's done, we're ready to start making our list. But first, we need to do something with this alignment, because I don't really like how that looks. So on my VStack, I'm just going to put in alignment and then dot leading. And there we go. That looks better. So if this doesn't really make that much sense, I recommend you go watch my other videos on this because that will make a little more sense. So now we actually have to embed it inside a list. So to do that, all I'm going to do is do command click this and hit embed and list. Of course you can type this out, but these little brackets are what's inside each cell of the list. And this is one cell of the list. So I was going to say I want 20 cells inside the list. We can see all of them here, but to actually get it updating to my response, I have to hit this little play button. Now I can go down and up, and we even get these nice animations. Those are called rubber band animations. They basically make it so when you hit the end of the list, it makes it so it doesn't feel like the phone is frozen. See? But now that's really all we're gonna do, even though I might actually put in an image right here. And to do that, I'm going to have to embed this VStack in an HStack. So basically, we can put something on this side of our VStack. And I'm just going to say image. And Apple actually puts in some pretty cool images. So I'm just going to say system name, which will give me access to these. And this image that I'm looking for is a clock icon. And there we go. That is how you use a list in SwiftUI. So this is the cell inside our list, and the cell is basically the content inside each section of the list. Now we duplicate the cell to match how many cells we should have in a list.